सर हम आज की इस बैठक में हार्दिक अभिनंदन एवं स्वागत करते हैं। बहुत ही जल्द हम आज की
কমলদা মাথা সরো।
I would also request all the press and media to please speak.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a moment of great privilege to extend our heartfelt greetings to the distinguished dignitaries who play a pivotal. Now we welcome Member Sri Soumya Kanti Ghosh. Now we welcome Shri A.N. Jha, Member of 16 Finance Commission. Extend our heartfelt greetings to distinguished dignitaries. Once again, we extend our
Thank you. I request the press and media to kindly leave the room so that we can start the proceedings.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, Professor Dr. Manik Saha ji, sir, has arrived among us. Sir, we extend our warmest welcome. Once again, we welcome you, ma'am. Now we welcome traditional Risha and flower bouquet. They are welcoming member. Now we welcome Member of 16 Finance Commission, Srimati Annie George Matthew. Now we welcome Member Sri Soumya Kanti Ghosh. It is indeed a moment of great privilege to extend our heartfelt greetings to distinguished dignitaries.
কমলদা মাথা সরো।
To take over for the further proceedings.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Now,
Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a moment of great privilege to extend our heartfelt greetings to the distinguished dignitaries who play.
thank you. I request the press and media to kindly leave the room so that we can start the proceedings.
Once again, we extend our warmest welcome to all our honored guests here. Now, I would like to
Honorable Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Saha, Honorable Chairman 16.
you also have our esteemed officials. Now, I would like to request our Honorable Chief Minister Sir to felicitate our Honorable Chairman Dr. Erwin Kanagaji, Chairman of the 16 Finance Commission with traditional Risha. Once again, we welcome you, ma'am. Now we welcome our traditional Risha and flower bouquet. They are welcoming member. Now we welcome Member of 16 Finance Commission, Srimati Annie George.